Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video, I will teach you how you can use Adalo app to create different apps. Here you can see that how their website look basically. In this Adalo app, you can create different apps. In this video, I will teach you how you can do that exactly. So for starting, you have to first login or you have to sign up. So here I will just go and I will sign up. For sign up here, you have to provide your email address, your password and then your full name. But if you already have an account here, then you can go and you can log in. As we are new here, so I will just go and will sign up. Now here you have to select a type, what type of app you want to make. Here you have different types. You can select from these types and just click on continue. Here you can also get the trend data in your app. Here you can start with the simple data or you can import your data from your CSV or you can scan your data from your existing software. I will just go with here start from simple data and will continue. Now here you have to select a platform, like if you want to use this for mobile or for desktop laptops. I just want to create a mobile app for now. I have selected here mobile and will continue. Now here you can see that they have generated 3 pages for us. Here the first one is login. Here the second one is home list and the third one is detail. Basically creating any app has 3 steps. First you have to select the platform, like if you want to use it for mobile or desktop. Then here you have to select the templates. Here you have many options. You can select from these options. Like for example, if we go and if we select here the restaurant style template, then here you have to do the branding. Here you have to tell your app name, and then here you have to tell your users like what is your audience type, and then here you have to select your colors. Here you have this primary and secondary colors. You can choose these colors. Basically these are the colors that will mainly show on the page. So I have just selected here 2 colors and will continue. Now here you can see that they have generated the app for us. And now here you can see the components, section and features. And you can do here a lot of editing. I will show you how you can do that. Here you have basically 4 pages. You can see here the login page, the sign up page and all product and category page. So if we talk about how you can do the editing, for that you just have to go and you have to select any page. Here I have selected a specific area. Now you can see here the list and the categories. You can change these things. And here similarly if we go and if we select one more area here, like here, now I have selected the name, and if we change this cafe name to maybe restaurant and will apply, you can see that now this name has been changed. Now I am changing the name for the sign up page as well. I have changed the template name to my restaurant's name. You can see that this changing has been applied on the page. Here you can see that the title name has been changed on the sign up page. Similarly, you can go and you can change the font color and the font style as well. And like for example, if you want to go and you want to change the theme, then you can go to branding. Here you can go and you can change the primary color and the secondary colors as well. Here you can also change the background color and the text color as well. Similarly, you can also go and you can preview how your app will look in the template that you have used. Here you can see the template that we have used and how it will look in the mobile. Here you can do all the customization. You can change here the picture, the color, the text and all these things. And once all the editing is done, and you can go and you can publish your app and you can use that. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.